In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your tax return to your computer on TurboTax. If you want to keep a copy of your return for your personal records, this is a quick and useful thing to do. Saving your return directly to your computer can make it easier to access later if you need it for reference, printing, or sharing with a tax professional when appropriate. To get started, make sure you're already signed in to TurboTax and viewing your tax return. Once you're on the main working screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page and find the Tax Tools option. Go ahead and click Tax Tools. This opens a menu with additional options that are a little more administrative, including tools for managing and reviewing your return. After that menu expands, click on Tools. This will open a pop-up window or a Tools panel with several actions related to your tax file. If you don't immediately see the window, give it a second to load and make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups or covering the panel with another window. Inside the Tools section, look for the option that says Enter your 24-year return to your computer. Once you see it, click that option. TurboTax will then begin the process of preparing a downloadable copy of your return so you can save it locally on your device. At this point, your browser may ask where you want to save the file, or it may automatically download it to your default downloads folder. If you're given a choice, it's a good idea to save the file somewhere easy to remember, such as your desktop or a clearly labeled tax documents folder. That can help you find it quickly later without having to search through multiple folders. If the file downloads automatically, check your downloads folder and consider moving it to a more permanent location afterward. Since tax returns contain sensitive personal and financial information, it's also smart to store the file in a secure location on your computer. If you use folder organization by year, this is a good place to keep it. And that's it. You've successfully saved your TurboTax return to your computer. Just remember to confirm that the file downloaded completely and opens properly so you know you have a usable copy when you need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.